Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, I do have my front door open, so I do apologize if the lighting is a little bit strange. Stormy and I are here, but it is a beautiful day. It's like 56 degrees outside. But tonight, it is going to go down into the 20s. So they're predicting a winter mix for us here. So I do have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I'm so excited about this one because there were some goodies that I found at my Dollar Tree. And I just, you know, sometimes it surprises me about my Dollar Tree and sometimes it doesn't. So, but this one, it did. Okay, everybody is on a hunt for these boxes. These are by Jot. They are the organizer case. This one I'm actually using for batteries. I have a whole bunch of batteries and I want to organize my drawers. So this is going to be for batteries. This one is going to be for an embellishment box that I will be making up. And that's what they've been used for. Right now, I'm also hosting an embellishment box swap. However, that will be closing as of tomorrow, and I can't wait. I can't wait for everyone to get their partners. Stormy is over here. Oh, she's touching my hand now. She just wants to touch my hand. Okay, so my wish list was one of these wreath forms, and this is the breast cancer awareness one. I was very excited to find it. I only did pick up one because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use it yet. I might do, I don't even know what I'm going to use it, how I'm going to do it yet. But when I do, and I decide to, I will probably be doing a DIY. Alright, so, I'm going to put that behind me. And then for my garden, I did find these cute little hummingbird solar stake lights. They are so adorable. They are really cute. So I hadn't seen them around, and I only had one store that had them, so I did pick them up. And I just think that they are really cute, and they do last really long. We've had a bunch of lights that lasted a long time. Yep. So I will be putting them out in my garden probably this weekend. And back in stock, they had these, and these are the fridge soda can storages. So I did pick up two of these. One is going to be for my refrigerator. It's going to be for my yogurts. The other one is going in my cabinet. So I was really happy to find these. I'm actually on a hunt for the egg ones, the plastic egg carton ones. I found them a while ago, but I didn't pick up enough of them. And that's it for that bag. I don't think you want to see my staples. This one is all food. Like, this just cracks me up. I found the Poland Springs water. This is the sparkling water. And this does not have any, it's free of calories, sugar, sweeteners, and colors. So I did pick up myself, I got the triple berry, and Stefano picked himself up the black cherry. So we did get those two. The other ones I was going to get, they had sweetener in them, and I just didn't want to try that. I didn't want to risk it. And I know I have to put these in the freezer, but these actually are so stinking good. I love these. These are the Cavendish Farms, and they are the mixed vegetables. I love these. So I'm going to actually go put them in the freezer in a second. I picked myself up one of the Decorative vanilla ice latte, and it is made with fresh brewed coffee. So let's see, and it is this one. I don't know if anybody else has tried it. I tried the canned one. That was okay, but I've never tried the bottle one, so I am going to see how that will be. Got I got Heinz 57 sauce right here. Stefano wanted some. He actually found a recipe to make his own, so he did make his own a couple weeks ago, and it was really good. Back again is the 4C's breadcrumbs, so we did pick up two of these. I have so many panko breadcrumbs, it's not even funny. So we just got the regular seasoned breadcrumbs. And this is a pretty big container. It's 15 ounces, so that will do us for a while. Let's see, here I did find the Lance, and this is the Captain Wafers, and it's the Bolds, the sandwich cracker, and this is the Buffalo Ranch with natural flavoring. So I thought this was a really good deal. 8 on the go packs, and 8 of 6 sandwiches. So there's 3 in each, or 6 in each package. So that's a really good deal. If you hear in the background, that is my pressure cooker. Stefano was on the hunt for the Velveeta cheese sauce, and he did find the original, because last time he picked me up some, he accidentally got the jalapeno, which I don't mind, but I just didn't want it for my macaroni and cheese. So we got 2 of these. I don't think it saves much money buying them, but you know, you never know. And this is a product of India. It's Global Brand Snack Time Stack Pack, and it's salted crackers. They are kind of like Ritz crackers, 12 ounces. I've never had them before, so we will be trying them. So it is best before May 6, 2019. So I will be giving these a try just to see how they are. It's 12 ounces. I've never seen them on my shelves before, so I will be trying them. Got my coconut water. Again, I only get 1 can every time I go, so it's not like I get a dozen cans every time. I just get 1 just to have. Sometimes I put it in the fridge and I'll forget that it's in there, and then I'll remember later. Stefano got more of his herring fillets. I don't have anything to say about them. So this is just Stefano's treat. So he got himself them. Okay, so I got the boring stuff well out of the way, everyone. So I hope that you stayed for the fun stuff, because I did get myself these. Now these are by Sure Fresh, and usually there's 10, but this is the bonus pack with 12 in it. I mean, I don't think that's bad for $1 for condiments. I always give them to Stefano for like sauces and stuff he has to take to work. They had a whole entire new section of dishes for the summer. This one had crabs and turtles. This is the dish mat. I just picked up the dish mat. I was going to get the dishes, but then I thought, that's not really Stefano's color. He doesn't really like red. So I just picked up the dish mat. So that was it. I found in the artwork, again, the canvas artwork, I found this, and this is that pig. I thought that was so cute. Now I have the cow, and now I have the pig, so I will be putting them up in my kitchen. So, but I just thought that they were really cute. I just love this. I thought it was really cute. And let's see. I got myself some flowers here, and these are geraniums. So they are really cute. I thought they were really pretty, and they look real. Like, to me, they looked real from really far away, but I mean, I really like them. So I will be doing something with these. My dogs, I apologize. He just opened the door all the way. He wants to see everybody. And then here we go with the awesome, awesome home and family sign. I was so happy to find these. You don't even know how happy I was, because I'm actually going to change them. But this one says, home is a gift that lasts forever, which is so true. And then this one says, family is made of love and laughter, and that is also true. So I was very excited. I was very excited to find these two. That is awesome. That's just such an awesome deal for me for $1. And then I had to show you this. Is this not the cutest little thing? It's a unicorn horn. Is that not cute? I just thought, oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing I had seen. So I hadn't seen anybody haul them, but I think that they are adorable. Let's just see how they look. This would have been perfect for my granddaughter's birthday. Look at that. That is so cute. I think it's so cute. Okay, so I will leave them on for the rest of the video. I have been looking and hunting and hunting and hunting for these ever since I got the home one. But this one is the love one. I think it's so cute. So I got the love one. What are you doing, Tormy? Tormy, you gonna say hi, everybody? Hi. Okay, and this is the one, love you more than the moon and the stars. That is just, that's so sweet. I love that one. This would be perfect for in a baby's room. So I was thinking it would be perfect in a baby's room. And family is everything. And that is so true. Okay, so let's see. What else did I get here? Okay, and then I already found the trinket unicorn ones, and I have the copper and I have the silver one. But I found the angel wings, and that is so cute. This is actually bigger than the unicorn one. The dish is bigger. So I found this, and I have a picture of the other ones, but I really loved how the angel wings were. So this is going to go on my vanity in my bedroom. I found this cool unicorn little notebook. So it has 60 sheets in it. It's just like this, but I really love that. I think it reminds me so much of my planner, like the cover. It just reminds me of my planner. I thought it was really, really cute. I used the fragrance boosters. These I use for the dogs' beds and their blankets and stuff. I don't use them for us, but I do use them for the dogs. And I just used my last one, so I just had to replace them. I cut 2 of the scrunchies. This is a replace every 30 days, and I typically do. This one is for Stefano, and this one is for me. So, yep. Somebody said you could wash them, but I would think that they would fall apart. I'm not sure about that. Now, this has been around for a while, but I've never picked it up. But lately, my hands have been so sore and so dry that I did get the Dove Intensive Cream. It's 2.53 ounces. It is in a tin, has a little lid on it. And this one, somebody opened one, and it was all over the place. So, but it is pretty thick. I used to use Dove all the time. I like the smell of it, but it is really, really a thick consistency. So this is going to go in my kitchen after I do my dishes, so I can put it on my hands, because my hands are so sore lately. They're really very, very dry. I don't know. I think these ones are new to us. I know we had the smaller one with just, I believe it was just a 4, and then the big, and then the dish. So I picked this up for my vanity to organize my nail polishes that I wear, you know, during the week or whatever. But I picked that up, you know, just to have, because I think it will be perfect for the Kiss nail polishes. It looks like that would fit in there. So I only got one. And then I got myself 2 more, and to thank everybody that told me that I can use these in my wax melt thingamajiggy. I wasn't quite sure if I could or not. Like, I don't know, you know, I always follow the rules. So, but yeah, I did pick up 2 more of the eucalyptus, and I love it. It's burning behind me. I don't know if you can see it. It's burning behind me right now, and I have 2 more left, but I got this 2 more, so I still have 4. Picked up a shower brush. I haven't had one of these in like forever, So since Mother's Day is out, they have all kinds of bathing stuff, shower gels, all kinds of lotions out. So I have pictures of the end caps, and they're really, really nice. The end caps that they have lately are really nice. They're decorated nice. They're really nice and neat. And today I just happened to be at the new store that I really like, up in Topsom, and it was their delivery day. Now usually their delivery day is on a Monday, and then they put it all out on Tuesday, Wednesday, but now their delivery day has changed to Wednesday, so that's something to keep in mind. But you know, so they had everything all over the place, but I saw they had boxes and boxes of lotions and shower gels and all kinds of stuff. All right, and then the last things I got, because she put my biscotti in with this stuff and she didn't have it in with the food. I love these. These are my favorite for coffee in the morning, just to have a snack, you know, before I take my medication and stuff, because I really can't have a big meal with some of my medications. It just makes me too nauseous. So this is the one with the almonds, and oh, I love this stuff. And we finally got in the LA Colors, the Lip Duo pencil, and you can make 3 looks from this. And it's a dark one, a light one, and then the ombre. And this is in Vanilla Latte. I have a picture of all the ones. We also did get the new LA Colors metallic lipsticks out. I have not tried them. They're not for me, so I'm not going to try them, but I did take a picture of every single color that they have. So, but yeah, I can't wait to try this. So I'll be trying this probably tomorrow. So, and then I got another little birdie. This one is just a really colorful one for back there on my little thing with my little nest that I have. And that is from Hobby Lobby. I got not this year, but last year, and it was in storage. So I just took it out and Stefano put it up for me. And I just think it's so adorable. I'll take close-up pictures of it so you can see it. And that back there, everybody always asks me about those lights, and those lights are the icicle lights. And I got them from Lowe's, and I got them 3 years ago from Lowe's, and I just love them. I don't take them down, so, you know, I mean, plus the light, regular lighting hurts my eyes. So when at nighttime, when Stefano's, since he's not home, I don't need really bright lights. So I just have them on, and that's pretty much that. And my under the oven light, and that's it. That's all I need for myself, because my Sjogren's and my eyes are just terrible. So yep, this is my little bird. So yes. And then I found these, and these are the bobby pins, and they are just basic solutions, 20 of them, but they do come in these really pretty pastel colors, so I just grabbed them. And then I found some more of the Stuck on You, the cactus stamps. So since I am giving 2 swap boxes out of the embellishment swap boxes, I am going to be putting each one of these in my little embellishment box. And I got another one of the blocks. So that is my whole entire haul. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and please follow me over at Instagram so that you will see when I go to the store, because there are so many new products, but I just didn't need them. I don't need all that stuff. Like, I have so much stuff, it's not even funny. So it just gets frustrating. Like, it gets too cluttered in here, and then I have to like weed out some stuff. But don't forget, I do my hauls on Tuesdays, and I do them on Saturdays. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope there was something new that you found that you didn't know was out there. And if not, you have something new that you were excited about, please let me know down below in the comment section. I do return comments, or I at least give you a heart to tell you I appreciate you stopping by. Alright guys, like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys.